going on, YouTube family? This is Chris. Happy Father's Day to all the guys out there. This is what we're doing today. Grilled steaks, quick and easy, to the point. Let's go. Doing grilled tenderloin. We're gonna start with just, of course, 2 tenderloin. You can do ribeye or New York strips or whatever you want to use, but that's what we're gonna start with today. Olive oil. And of course, Longhorn steak seasoning. Put a small light coat of olive oil on it. That's enough. You'll flip it on both sides so that the olive oil is on both sides of the steak. So I've just put on the olive oil, and I'm actually flipping it because the olive oil actually helps the seasoning adhere to the meat. So when you put it on the grill, you're gonna lose some of the seasoning, but not all of it. Second thing, Longhorn seasoning. So I'm actually putting a generous amount of seasoning on there because you're gonna lose some, like I said, when you're grilling. That should be enough for that side. Flip it over. More seasoning on the back side. Definitely want every bite to be just as seasoned from the first to the last one. I know I do. That should be enough. Done with the seasoning, you're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour before you start grilling. Come on, let's go ahead and get the grill going. I want to show you something real quick. Got the grill going. Just bought this new charcoal. It's called Jealous Devil. I was using one that was actually really good, but this particular charcoal right here cooks at a lot higher temperature. And I shut off everything last time, closed it up, and I still had some coal left for this service. This coal lasts longer, burns at a higher temperature. So we're about to throw the steaks on the grill right now. Cooking at about 600 degrees, or close to it.
All right, I'm here, I'm ready. Let's go, man. Sunday funny.
You ready? You got it? What's going on, YouTube? Got my brother-in-law Simon Duffin with me today.
Yeah.
About to dig into these steaks. Thank you guys for joining us again. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
And if you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, appreciate you get